Hello guys, that was a little cinematic unboxing, a bit over the top, I get it, but it's the kind of the last video of shooting the A7iii, so I figured I'll put extra effort, give it the last hurrah, give it a proper send-off, and make the best video I could possibly do, and that was just what I want to do. So new camera, new lens, new lights, I fixed my VideoMic Pro, everything's just kind of set up perfectly. I got a new tripod that's even steadier and sturdier than my old one, so expect better, smoother B-roll, of course. Got a new workflow, got so much new things going on. I'm really excited to make new videos, try to make it daily, see how long it can last. Hopefully quite some time. If it doesn't last, then well, it's my fault, but if it does last, that'll be sick. So yeah, this is the first video shot on the A7 III. Do you like that crispy 4K quality? Huh? I don't know if the autofocus is good enough to track on, because there's no flip out screen and I haven't gotten a monitor for it yet. And yeah, but the A7iii isn't going away. It'll probably stick around for a while, for quite some time, because it's still very good. It can do the 2 pixel AF is still bloody amazing. The colors are still awesome on it. The video quality is actually still very satisfying on it. And it's not amazing, but it can work as a B camera, no problem. So I don't expect to sell it anytime soon. I'm just gonna keep it around. Cameras have sentimental value, you know. Oh shit, there's a bee. The door's open, fly out. Okay, anyway, like cameras have sentimental value, you know. I don't really want to sell the A7iii, just want to keep it around, because like you have so much memories with it. It's followed you to like your holidays and like your precious moments where you took pictures with it. So yeah, I kind of don't want to get rid of it. So yeah, that's my opinion on cameras. So I guess that's it for this little video. It's the start to many greater things, I hope. Pretty excited for the future. If you liked the video, definitely like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Please do. I tweet a lot, I Instagram a lot. If you want to know updates about the channel, about the videos, go to my Twitter. And if you want to see awesome pictures, go to my Instagram. I'm going to be taking a lot of photos with the A7 III, and hopefully you can enjoy them by dropping me a follow over there. But apart from that, I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.